The United States ambassador to Harare, Pamela Mary Tremont, has said Chinese investments in Zimbabwe have not improved the lives of ordinary citizens, pointing to rising poverty and growing inequalities as evidence. Zanabina mashoko atona kuti vakomana vekustates aiwa tinoona kuti this ambassador to Harare or to Zimbabwe Pamela Tremont oya achishoka vakomana ve the ruling party achiti aiwa vakomana machinese varingomwe munyika hapana kana zvaservice yavari kuprovide. Sanabina mashoko mudanyika panapa nobva subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Timina panapa mupindula vamudanyira chiti in a podcast interview with JW Oliver, Tremont said the number of Zimbabweans living below the poverty line has doubled since 2011, despite the substantial Chinese investment in the country. She added, welfare equality in Zimbabwe is actually getting worse. The rich are getting richer, the poor are getting poorer. Tremont identified weak regulations as a key issue, particularly in the mining sector, where labor rights are frequently ignored and workers are exposed to hazardous conditions, she said. Investors have come here without any guardrails, without any guarantees that what they are taking out of the country is benefiting the people of Zimbabwe. And so, a lot of that investment and job creation has not really gone to benefit the people of Zimbabwe. Their labor rights are not protected. They are not paid a fair wage. They are not given safe working environments. They work in horrific conditions, sometimes using child labor. Tremont argued the Zimbabwean government to ensure the foreign investments benefit citizens by providing fair wages and safe working conditions. Tomashoko anoya achimiririrwa aiwa panapa tikuona kuti vakomana veku America, this ambassador anoya achimirira macitizens achiti aiwa government inofanira kuimprove working conditions kuti aiwa zvinhu zvibudiswe pachena kuti aiwa vakomana veku China ava vasaita ezefa vari kuita maresources nyika ichisara kana kuti kuzoonekwa kwakuitwa machild labor vanhu vasingachafari kunoshanda ikoko. Tudze mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pinai comment section medu mudze mafungiro enyu. Subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.